Engagement Officer Scott. I'm just going to show you another Google Hangouts tutorial here. So today I'm actually going to show you how to share your screen, but also some of the features with Google Hangouts as well. So right here, I'm going to show you how to present to others your screen. Now what you're going to do is right at the bottom, down at the toolbar, you're going to see Present Now. When you click on this option, it'll actually give you the option to present just a window or your entire screen. But typically we present our entire screen, so we're going to click on this one right here. Once you click on here, there's going to be a little box that pops up. You're just going to want to click on your screen right there and press share. Then if you go to anything on your screen, anyone in the Hangout can see exactly what you're doing as it shows right here. So I'm going to go over to Google here. So anyone that's in this webinar will be able to see what I'm typing in Google, or if I have a PowerPoint up and I'm going through it, they'll see every slide properly. Now another feature I'm going to show you is how to chat in Google Hangouts. So right at the top there's another toolbar and there's this little message box. Now if you click on this, you can type any messages to anyone in the group and it will come up. And this is really good if you're a teacher and you want to point the students in a direction and maybe get them thinking about something while I'm even talking. You could ask a question here or send a message to them all. So they'll be able to receive that, but also still be able to listen to the presenter talk, and they'll be able to learn as well. So if you have any more questions about Google Hangouts, our engagement officers are going to be putting out more videos to help you around this new tool we are using and you might be using as well. But if you have any questions, you can also message us on any of our social medias as well. Thank you very much.